What's up, guys? In today's video, we're going to be stealing cars while pretending to be a supercar transporter. Let's go. We need to find some nice cars to steal. Hopefully nobody's around to stop us. All right, guys, I've been driving around for a bit trying to find someone with a car to steal. Oh, there's someone with a nice-looking car. Let's ask him. Hey, sir, would you like a free garage service for your car? Oh, hey. Yeah, I would love to. All right, just load your car onto the back. All right, sir. Just drive onto the back and we'll have your car serviced and ready for you in no time. Thank you very much. Your car will be back in 2 to 3 days. Or never. Haha, that idiot never expected it. I'll just dump the car at the abandoned house where no one will see it, and soon when I have enough cars, I'll sell them all to the garage and get $1 million. All right, we're here. I'll just unload the car and then I'll go find the next one soon. All right, guys, that car was worth about $250,000. That was an absolutely great start toward the $1 million we need. If you're wondering what I need it for, I don't really know. I just want to be a millionaire. All right, I found my next victim. That's a nice-looking car, maybe worth around $200,000. Let's ask him. Hey, sir, would you like a free car service? Hey, I would love to. All right, just load your car onto the back and you'll be all set. Your car will be back within 2 to 3 days. Ha ha! What an idiot! He never suspected a thing. I'm gonna be a millionaire from this because of how stupid people are. All right, guys, I just dropped off the car. Let's go find our next victim. Let's hope no one's around this time so I can just take the car, which will be easier. Guys, check out that red car. That looks like around 300K. Oh yes, there's no one around. I'm just gonna take it. Let's hope it's unlocked. Oh yes, it's unlocked. Just drive it up and that's it. Ha ha ha. So many idiots in Brookhaven leaving their cars unlocked. All right. One more and I'll have around 1 million. Enough to buy a nice house and car. All right, let me just drop it off and let's go find our next victim's car. I should check around the restaurant area. There could be people eating at this time since it's 12 p.m. and most people are having lunch. Let's check out Jet's restaurant. Oh yes, a blue car. It looks like it's worth around 250K. If that's real, that'll put me at $1 million worth of cars to sell to the garage. All right, just load it up. Hey, that's my car. Oh no, I've got to go. Oh my gosh, he's chasing me. He better not call the police before I sell the cars, though. He's still chasing me, but I got away. I just gotta get all the cars and drop them off at the garage. All right, that's all the cars. All right, guys, I just dropped the cars off at the garage. Oh, hey there. For those 4 cars you'd like to sell, that'll be 1 million. Okay, I want to sell the cars. All right. Here's your cash. Bye. Have a great day. Let's go, guys. $1 million. Hey, is that the car I stole? Or is it a different one? Hey, I'll just take it. Hey, give me my car back. Thank you, everybody, for the massive support you've given me on my last video and my YouTube channel. Subscribing to me helps a lot. Thank you, everyone.